Hi, I'm Nyla McFadden, Director of Education, Programs, and Policy Lead for the Climate Initiative. I'm excited to be here today because I am a proud product of Reading, Pennsylvania, and one of our ultimate goals was to bring climate and climate resources home. And so that's what we were able to do today. I was able to work with Reading Public Works to bring an educator workshop all about climate justice and equity to Reading, and we met 25 fantastic educators.
We got to show how we can chunk down the climate crisis curriculum to be multidisciplinary, and also build out the capacity to have the conversations that we need to have to make good decisions in our city government.
I am an educator in the Reading School District in Reading, Pennsylvania. The workshop was phenomenal. This was absolutely utilizing the pedagogy that we want to use in our classrooms, working through activities that make sense, that we can turn around and take right into our classroom.
I really appreciate that the whole workshop was geared around hope. I thought that was a really important way to share the message without getting us to be, it's a lot of overwhelming things, but it was presented in a way that never made it feel too oppressive, which I thought was really important. I have so much hope that there's so many people that are interested in trying to come together to be providing the tools and the information for the next generation so that they actually can make those choices, and that going forward we can know that the kids are going to be all right.
I've expanded my tribe of people working on this, and knowing that I get to help raise up the next generation of climate advocates and people who work in public stewardship.
Educators had a sense of community hope, made connections, and are ready to take action. And that is all that I and TCI hope to do. And this is just exciting, and I'm so excited for the possibilities, but I know that this is evidence of the larger impact that we are making with the help of educators.